gospodine predsjedniče.
Može biti zadovoljno što se uvažava dobra saradnja, ne samo saradnja, završno pozdravim i usvojimo. Ovo da kažem za ovo vrijeme.
I can say so for this continuation of good cooperation, we will not just
Zaista imali jednu podnu saradnju
Thank you very much. Very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. I heard a lot about you. But the road is so beautiful.
And at that point in time, it was the only system of that sort in the whole country.
Okay, that's the river. Okay.
If we were sitting a bunch of different chemicals and pounding them into
We have such a great team. And we are very happy to be your partners. Indeed, once this is completed, you know, with the venture. This is going to be ski.
Yes.
With persistence, we have it all.
Beautiful. Neće biti samo vizija, već i ostvarenje.
Sve moguće.
Next year.
Jeste da na osnovu naše saradnje lokalne turističke i upravo prije 2 dana smo u saradnju na još jednom kvalitetnom projektu na visokom nivou. Odnosno, angažovanje gerontodomaćica, o čemu će nas upoznati, o tome će nas informisati gospođa Maja Krvari, glavna administratorka.
Mogu da je vide, to je
This to be easier. Mayors associations, global. Well, you are still very young. I think the future is
Vama je budućnost.
Slažemo se.
Potencijali koje postoje, rekao sam sve šta smo krenuli u
some additional impetus for further work.
Zanimljivo bi tu da podržite da naši stručnjaci mogu da pođu da razviju informacije.
And I guess some additional energy. Around climate changes, our activities are bound to get some additional impetus in the sense of further activities.
Considering other options situating for ministry in the country. They have been in touch with the people every day. Capital of Montenegro, which is basically just half an hour from here. So
Is it
not-
possible?
It is possible. It is possible. The idea is like that. So probably it would be
Nashka is welcoming and visiting Cetinje. Having in mind that for the citizens of Cetinje to open a new work, bearing in mind all cultural heritage that we are having. Briefly, I would like to, first of all, Mrs. Seja Vujanović, she is law social issues and youth. Mr. Matija Dautović, measures of energy efficiency. And so far we are having, was reconstructed in the hall together with the roof construction.
Sad, u kadru si mi, brate?
Because I know first year when I Montenegro level and regional level. Now here. Nice.